Before you even open the VN app, there's one thing that every great editor does. They plan. A well-planned project saves you time, keeps your ideas organized, and helps you produce videos that look professional and purposeful. So you need to follow some steps to plan your project successfully. Now let's talk about some few steps that you need to follow. Step 1, define your concept. Yes, you have to define your concept by asking yourself, what do I want this video to achieve? Maybe it's to inform, to entertain, or to teach. So write down your main idea in one simple sentence. That one sentence becomes your project's direction. For example, I want to create a short video that shows how to make a quick and healthy smoothie. That one sentence becomes your project's direction. Step 2, break it into structure. Every video, no matter the length, should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. The beginning introduces your topic and grabs attention. The middle is where you share your main content or story. The end gives your viewer a takeaway or call to action. So think of this as your video roadmap. It helps you to decide what scene or clips you need. Step 3, you should plan your scenes and flow. Sketch out your video flow. You can use bullet points, sticky notes, or even simple text file. For each part of your video, note what visuals, sound effects, or voiceovers you want. Ask yourself, what should the viewer see and hear at this moment? This doesn't have to be complicated. Instead, it should be just clear enough to guide you once you start editing. Step 4, estimate timing. Next, you should decide roughly how long each section should be. Keeping your video tight and focused helps maintain viewer interest. For example, if your tutorial video is 1 minute long, spend about 10 seconds on the introduction, 40 seconds on your ending or call to action. Step 5, prepare before you edit. Now that your plan is ready, gather your materials, your images, clips, music, and voiceover. Having everything prepared before you open VN will make your editing smooth and enjoyable. So now let's wrap it up. In summary, we have discussed that you should start with a clear concept, structure your story to content flow, plan your visuals and sounds, estimate your timing, and prepare your materials before you start editing. This is how professionals create stunning videos without wasting time. In the next lecture, we will take this plan and begin gathering and organizing your project materials. Get ready to turn your ideas into reality.